up to 13 tons of these fish for every mile in the river.
Just absolutely full of fish down here. Nice flat, calm surface, but there's loads of them down there.
It's the noise of our engine as we accelerate that triggers them to break cover. These are silver carp, and they produce one of the most surreal spectacles I've ever seen.
And that's hundreds of miles. They go all the way down the Mississippi.
Seeing these as dots on the sonar is one thing, but just the noise of our motor provokes this mass escape response.
Brought here from China 40 years ago, these fish were never meant to escape into the wild. Today, they are a plague.
Absolutely stiff with fish. Here we go, look at this. There's more silver than green in the water there. I actually feel the boat being buffeted as they're banging into it.
This freak phenomenon is the closest thing to raining fish I've ever experienced.